Alright guys, so I finally was able to free the tank from that horrible plastic, and as I said before, and I wasn't joking, there's a chance that you could cut your finger, and I did. So can I recommend this kind of packaging to you? I don't know. Make up your own mind. Do you think the fact that they gave you these unscrewable screws and faulty packaging, do you think that's good? I don't know. I don't know. Don't want to, bias you in any way. Maybe you like this kind of thing. Maybe you plan to buy this kind of thing. I don't know. I don't know. But I would have serious talk with my
Likey